Hey everyone, if you want to create private channels in Discord for admins, VIPs, or exclusive members in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set up private channels in an advanced way. First, create a new text or voice channel. You can name it something like private staff only or VIP, depending on your needs. Next, open the channel settings and go to permissions. This is where you control who can see and use the channel. Now disable at everyone access. Turn off view channel so regular members cannot see or enter it. After that, add specific roles like admin, moderator, or VIP. Only selected roles should be able to access the channel. Now fine-tune permissions carefully. You can allow or restrict actions like sending messages or managing content inside the channel. Next, test the setup using another account. Make sure the private channel is hidden from normal users. You can also create multiple private channels. This is useful for separating staff chats, VIP areas, or logs. So yeah, that's how you create private channels in Discord in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can build a secure and organized server. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy guides.